both vehicles move forward smoothly as soon as the light turns green. The white car in the left lane is heading straight, while the black SUV in the right lane suddenly signals and cuts hard to the left. According to traffic rules, going straight was the only option from that specific lane. But this sudden maneuver left the white car with no time to brake, leading to an instant collision. Always follow your lane markings and stay alert to keep the roads safe for everyone. Traffic is completely stopped and the white car ahead is just waiting in line. Suddenly, a large black pickup truck speeds up from behind out of nowhere. The driver completely loses control of the truck and rams violently straight into the back of the car without even braking. The heavy impact shoves the vehicle forward. Always keep your speed in check to avoid this. All vehicles are stopped at the intersection waiting for the red light. Suddenly, this black car completely ignores the rules and runs straight through the solid red light. At that exact moment, a blue car approaching from the right enters legally on a green light, leaving the driver with absolutely zero time to brake, leading to a violent T-bone collision. The sheer recklessness of running a red light caused this unavoidable wreck. Always respect traffic signals and stay alert. Vehicles are moving along smoothly at normal speeds on the highway. Right up ahead, a red pickup truck is driving with a silver car following closely behind it. The driver of the silver car keeps up their speed, completely expecting the truck ahead to continue driving straight. However, out of nowhere, the red pickup truck suddenly attempts to make a sharp right turn across the lane. Because of this unexpected maneuver, the silver car behind has zero time to react, leading to a violent collision. The fault lies entirely with the red pickup truck. The fault here lies entirely with the driver who completely lost control at the intersection. Right from the start, there was a heavy impact, followed by the car sliding between two black vehicles. The driver couldn't manage their steering, and due to this loss of control, the car spun out and slammed into a parked white vehicle nearby. Talk about terrible luck for the white car driver. They were just parked safely and got hit only because the other driver failed to control their vehicle. Vehicles were moving smoothly along the highway until this white car driver attempted a very risky high-speed overtake. Their speed was way too high for the exit ramp, and the driver lost control completely, sliding right off the road and crashing into the ditch. This entire incident was the result of a single reckless maneuver. Thankfully, no one was injured in the crash and everyone involved is perfectly safe. Always stick to the speed limit and be extra cautious when trying to overtake others on the road. Traffic at the intersection was moving normally and all vehicles were heading straight. The light was green, so everyone was proceeding as expected. Suddenly, a blue car sped in from the left, completely ignoring the traffic signal and slammed directly into the black car. The fault lies entirely with the blue car's driver for recklessly entering the intersection without checking. Despite such a violent collision, it's a relief that everyone involved is safe and unharmed. Always follow traffic signals and stay alert when driving through busy intersections. Traffic was flowing smoothly with both vehicles moving at steady speeds. The white car had a green signal and was proceeding normally when suddenly the black car sped through the red light. The impact was massive, causing the white car to spin and eventually flip over completely. This accident was caused solely by the black car driver who completely ignored the signal. Thankfully, despite the severity of this crash, everyone involved is safe. Always obey traffic rules because your safety on the road matters the most. Drive safe.